Hi everyone, with me today I have this coffee table with a hidden storage inside, and I gotta say it's such a game changer for both style and function in my space. This lift top design is one of my favorite features. Whether I'm working from the couch, having a snack, or just need to bring my laptop closer, it is so convenient. It adjusts from 18.5 inches to 24 inches, which makes it super versatile depending on what I'm doing. And of course, underneath there's a hidden storage compartment under this tabletop that is perfect for stashing your remotes, books, or anything that you don't want cluttering the space, including those snacks. Plus, the bottom shelves gives me a cute little area to display decor or keep things I want within reach. I'm also loving this sleek gray finish. It adds such a modern touch that fits right into my living room setup, and the rounded edges is a nice safety detail that still looks super elegant. Whether you're using it in a living room or a home office, this piece absolutely delivers. Make your space work harder and smarter for you by grabbing this table on Amazon now.